back everyone. So this video will be winner ceremony video for Women Data Science Datathon. So if you want to know more about the competition, please check the link in the description box.
So the floor is yours, Chang.
So my name is Chang. I'm one of the organizers of WiDS Datathon Maastricht 2021. Today I will be the representative for the whole organization team of this amazing youth data science community board. So we have 5 organizers. We organized the WiDS Datathon on 5th and 6th February this year. So just for some information about the Datathon. So WiDS Datathon is a global data science challenge competition, and it always happens before the conference, and it lasts normally 1 or 2 months. And for during the Datathon, the participants were encouraged to use their knowledge and networking and to learn from each other and then solve the data challenge. And we, as a team, we already did this for the 2nd time. And last year was physical event, and this year we did online. And that was a surprise for us because we got 90+ participants join the event from actually all over the world. And in total, we formulated 21 teams join the competition. And then we are very happy actually about the range of the participants, not only from their background, but also from their age. Like we have assistant professors join the competition, but we also have a family team that the siblings join together. So the youngest one was actually from the, I think, primary school and high school students. Some facts about the Datathon this year. As you can see, we have over 80% of females in the Datathon. And that's actually, I think is really amazing because I heard a lot of positive feedback from participants saying that this is the only one data science related events that the female is the majority. And some information about the data science level, as you can see that we have many beginners and also many intermediate levels. And of course, we have some advanced level who's working in data science field for years, and also some students or beginners have no background for data science. And this diversity of the background makes the events really fun because people can really learn each other, and then the students can also share their questions or concerns from the experienced data scientists. So just some highlights from the Datathon is that we provide some pre-training sessions for the beginners, and we also share the materials on the YouTube and also our repositories. And we also provide 8, well, including myself, 8 coaches to help the teams to solve the challenge, to ask questions, to help them to go through the whole data science pipeline. And we also arranged online yoga session and with amazing yoga teacher, and we did that online. It was really fun to see each other on the screen. So after this 2 weekend, we had responsible data science pioneer team selected by a jury group. So this pioneer team was designed by our group because we think the accuracy is not the only evaluation part we should consider. We also should think about transparency and the explainability and other factors. So we create evaluation metrics for this responsible data science pioneer team, and also invite the experts from health and also data science domain to evaluate the team's performance. But so we got this the responsible data science pioneer team selected from the weekend, and they are from Technology University of Delft, and they are 3 amazing girls. But today, the highlights will give to the winner of Datathon Maastricht 2021. So it's the time for us to know who is the winner. That's the TeamTwente.py. So there are 3 senior researchers from Twente University, and they got really high score, which is actually top 20% of the global WiDS. So in total, we have, I think, over 800 teams joined the competition this year, and they were, I think, around 170 ranking on the top. So next, I will invite Anna to give a short presentation.
Hey.
So I will stop sharing my presentation, and you can start sharing yours.
Okay. Hi. So let me share my screen.
Yes. This is Hannah, and then she will present a little bit about the data challenge and also how they solved the challenge and also what they learned from the whole event. Okay.
Did it work?
Yes.
Can you see my screen? Perfect.
Yes. So
okay, well,
where's yours?
Thank you for having us. Let me introduce the team again. We are from BDSI, the Behavioral Data Science Incubator, and the University of Twente. And the BDSI is a team of researchers that tries to support other researchers with data science. So we try to basically spread our enthusiasm and knowledge of data science at the university. And I think with that, we are really similar to the Women in Data Science initiative. We're also 50% women in the team. And we're really, really happy to be here and have that opportunity to talk. I was asked to give a short presentation about our solution. And yeah, first of all, again, a big shout out to all the other teams. We've seen 5 of them, and they were really good. And I think they had really similar models. So it was really luck that in the end we were here, I think. But also a lot of hard work. So I think one of the most important things is to not give up. We've tried out so many things, and I would say 95% of them really failed. But that's one thing that I think is really, really nice about the Kaggle competitions, that everybody has a lot of ideas, but then the few ones that work, you share them with others, at least in the beginning of the competition. And so everybody gets better. And I think most of the ideas that really work that we've had were from other people that shared them in this competition and in previous competitions. And one of those things is to have a good baseline model. And so let me say what the competition was about. It was about detecting diabetes in intensive care patients. And we've had data of the first examination of the patients that came to the ICU, which like blood tests and other health measures, but also personal identifiers like age, weight, ethnicity, and the history of the hospital stay. So which ICU where they were in and where they've been before, things like this. The model that we've used is the tree-based gradient boosting model. That's very, well, it's very known for winning competitions in general because it's very good at handling large data sets with a lot of features. And I think that was one of the points here that was really important, was to create many features. And the other thing that's really good about the model is that it really handles most of the data preparation tasks for you. It handles LNA. You don't need to scale the features. You don't need to bin anything. You don't need to care about correlated features. The model pretty much takes care of it, and so you can concentrate about seeing which features really work well to predict the diabetes in patients. And the other part that's really important is a very robust model setup, so you can try out things and actually know what works. And for that, what we did, or what's probably generally good practice, is to split our training data first into a test set and a training set, and then not look at the test set and do all the modeling on the rest of the training set. So we created features by using difference and sum of the blood test values. And we also imputed some features. with k next nearest neighbors, but it didn't really help that much. Then on our training set, we used 5-fold cross-validation and hyperparameter tuning, so we don't have to tune the parameters by hand. And then we also selected some of the features because we created so many that then we tried to select the best ones again, and we used the Shapley values for that. And when we were happy with our model, we would then check it on the test set and submit the prediction after retraining it on all of the data. And then we did like several stages of trying out different things and seeing what works and what doesn't work. And at the end, we just ensembled all the models that kind of worked. If you're interested in like a bit more precise idea of our solution, we will upload the notebook and a blog post at our webpage at bdsi.bms.utwente.nl. And yeah, I think that was mainly it. Thanks again for having us and giving us the opportunity to present our solution.
Thank you very much, Anna, and congratulations on winning the prize. Very well done.
If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. We will deliver more interesting video for you.